Now, before I end my discussion or presentation, I would like to explain the relationship between the column for total number of items and the column for percent of items, the last two columns. In reality, you can get away with the percent of items, but since I chose to include this in my presentation, I am going to discuss it so that you will have a better view of what the or good understanding of the table that I have presented. So this is not very difficult. So under the total number of items, the first entry there is 4, and opposite it under the percent of items is 8. What is meant by that? Meaning 4 total number of items for learning outcome 1 is 8% of 50, the total number of items. Similarly, for learning outcome number 2, you have 2, and 2 is 4% of 50. So the formula really is, for the first entries, 4 divided by 50 times 100. That will give you 8%. 2 divided by 50 times 100, that will give you 4%. 4 divided by 50 times 100, that will give you 8%. 3 divided by 50 times 100, that will give you 6%. That is the procedure in doing so as regard the last two columns, column 10 and column 11. That's it. So that concludes my humble presentation. I hope this presentation helps you in one way or another as regard the construction of the table of specifications. I am Tobias H. De Ramon Jr., a licensed professional teacher and a Juris Doctor. Thank you.